Hello, I'm Dale Ander, and I'm a member of the Control Center Development and Support team. Welcome to this series of videos that cover the key capabilities of Control Center Monitor. In case you don't know, Control Center Monitor can be used to track key actions and activities that are occurring across your B2B and file infrastructure network. And one of the aspects of Control Center is called SLCs, or service level criteria, and they can be a challenge to set up, and sometimes they don't work as you would like them to. Remember, computers do what you tell them, not what you mean. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run an SLC debug report. So when things go wrong, you'll know how to get some data about the SLC that failed. So this is the Control Center login screen. I'm going to sign in. Now, before you go to generate the report, you should have the process or file transfer information handy to add to the report criteria. So I'm going to show you a way to do that. I'm going to identify the file transfer that my SLC told me took too long, when I know, it only took like 0 milliseconds. So what you could do is, in here, I'm going to click on this link. I could click on this one. Both of them will show me details about this file transfer, because what I need to fill in that SLC debug report, I need the server that this transfer occurred on, I need the name of the process that this transfer occurred within, and I need the ID of that process, because lots of processes can have the same name. So I need all three of those pieces of information. The other thing I need is a time frame. So it says it's September 23rd, 2023 at 2:42:18 p.m. So what you can do is you can click right here on this link about the process, and then you can highlight the process ID, Control C, and then paste it into Notepad, and then you get the process name, Control C, and then Control V, and then the last thing I need here is the server, Control C, Control V. So now I am ready to run my SLC debug report. I've got all the information I need to fill in all the important values. So I'll close this window. I'll close this window. To run your SLC debug report, go to Manage on the toolbar, the menu bar, and then find your SLC that you think generated a false alert. Here's my SLC, WF SLC test. Go to the ... the overflow menu, and choose SLC debug report. What you'll get is the start of the criteria. It's already got my SLC name in it. It says SLC ID. Now the time range, I want to change this to be the 23rd. In fact, I want it to be a little bit closer to when it ran. So that was at 2:42:18. So this needs to be in military time, 14:40. And let's make the end time be the 23rd and 14:43. We'll give a little bit wider range. And I need to scroll down. I need to use that data I put in my notepad. The name of the server, Control C, Control V, the name of the process, Control C, Control V, and finally that long process ID. Control C, Control V. Now, if I was doing a workflow SLC that had multiple milestones, I would want to put the process, this kind of information in for every milestone every was supposed to have been satisfied. But this was a single milestone SLC. So this is all the information you need. So now just click Run Report, generating report, and here it is. Voila. It's got all the data, it's got the process information. We're good. I hope this was helpful. That's all for now. Take care.